Okay, graphing parabolas. This is example 2 on your notes if you're trying to follow along with your notes. So the first step is to get it into standard form. So on your notes it wasn't in standard form, and there's actually a video as well on how to get it into standard vertex form. But that's not this. So this is the part after it's been in standard form. So it doesn't look exactly like your notes. So I have it in vertex form now, and now I can pick out my vertex. So my vertex is in here, but I've got to switch the sign. So -2 and then 3. And for parabolas, you need a table. And what you want to do is put the vertex in the middle and pick a couple points above and a couple points below. And if I've got the x inside the square, if the x is squared, I'm picking values for x. So I'm going to pick the ones above and below, so like -1, 0, -3, -4. So all I'm doing is plugging them in and seeing what I get. So if I plug in -4, I get -4 plus 2 is -2. -2 squared is 4. 4 times -2 is -8. -8 plus 3 is -5. -3 plus 2 is -1. -1 squared is 1. Times -2 is -2. Plus 3 is 1. And then these, you can plug them in, but these end up being the same, right? Because it gives me the same value inside. And then I'm squaring it. So let's see what our graph looks like for this. So my vertex is at, I don't even need to do my vertex first. Let's just do them in order. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, and up 1. And here's my vertex, -2, 1, 2, 3, -1, 1, and 0, -5. So here's my parabola. So my domain and my range. So you can see in terms of x, my domain is -infinity to infinity. Because it's just going to, as it goes, it's going to keep getting wider and wider and wider in this direction, and wider and wider and wider in that direction forever. But my range, it starts down at -infinity, because it goes forever. But then right here, it stops. It doesn't get any higher than the vertex. And the vertex is at 3, and it includes it. So that is graphing a parabola. And this, in particular one, is graphing a parabola that's been solved for y. I'm going to do another video with one solved for x.